Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Courtney-Ann and today we will be viewing some luxury apartments in the Kingston area. Now all of the important details regarding each of these units will be in the description box below. So go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get into the tour. So this will be unit 1 out of 8 of the units on this complex. It is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. The starting price for these units are 50 million Jamaican dollars and they begin at 1,550 square feet. Here you can see me showing the floor plan. As you can see, it's a very open concept, so where I am standing would be from the kitchen area, but there's enough space to make subsections of the space such as a dining room and a living room. Now fun fact, the kitchen that I'm about to show you, this unit is the only one with this design. In other words, all 8 units are different in terms of design and color scheme. So every single kitchen will be different. So stay tuned for the other kitchen designs. I absolutely love this backdrop. It ties in perfectly with the countertops. As you can see, it has a white themed countertop as well as white cabinet doors, double sinks, which you guys know are my favorites, and accent lighting underneath the cabinets, which you can use in the evening time or the nighttime to kind of set the tone or warm up the space. Over here is right outside the kitchen, which I mentioned earlier could be used as a dining room. But on the left, you'll notice that there is a space cut out into the cabinet for your refrigerator or maybe some large object. Now, fun fact, this unit has lots and lots of storage. So beside your breaker box, there's at least 3 subsections of storage closets, one of which I would use for cleaning supplies and toiletries. Number 2, which is the one with the shelves here, I would use for maybe bedding, and the overhead storage area up there for your large objects. Now moving on to the guest bathroom. So like I said before, it's a 2-bathroom unit. This is the guest bathroom and it's actually not counted in the total number of bathrooms, so that's really just extra for your guests. And then past the guest bathroom, past the closets, you would go into bedroom number 1, which is what you're looking at here. Lots of natural lighting, lots of ventilation, and a very wide floor plan for you to be very flexible with your design. The bedroom also comes with a large closet with overhead storage and mirrors on the front, which I always appreciate with spaces like these. Here I'm just opening the closet so you can see inside. As you can see, it's sliding doors, and more importantly, it slides on both sides for your convenience. Next, let's take a look at the main bathroom. Now, this bathroom is an ensuite bathroom, meaning it can only be accessed through the bedroom. Here we have the shower space. Now, just like the kitchen, guys, the bathroom backsplashes are unique with every single unit, and I really loved that. I don't think I've ever toured a property where all of the units have customized designs. I think that's really cool and really creative. Next, let's move on to the master bedroom. Now, the only difference I noted here was that the closet was huge. Additionally, the bedroom was a lot more spacious as well than the previous unit. And another thing I found unique were the AC units. It's not the usual wall AC that I was used to. I think that's very unique. It's always good to have a tad bit of difference from other properties, and I really liked that. Next, as you can see here, the layout is that the closet, I believe, is on the left and the bathroom is on the right. Let's step into the closet a bit and look at the space. So as you can see, this is a walk-in closet with lots of shelving, lots of racks for your clothes, and also dark colored shelves, possibly for shoes, seeing that the white wouldn't be the most suitable for a shoe rack. And additionally, as a female, I would definitely use this corner shelf for my handbags, but it depends on who is using the closet. There is also a full-length mirror, and I did know that the closet was well lit, so in case you want, try on a few outfits and see how they look, you could definitely do that. Now, once you step out of the apartment, this is what your entryway is looking like. So I believe there were 2 or 3 levels to each building, and each unit has a similar setup, but like I was mentioning, just some key differences that I believe the future buyers would love that separates them from the other owners of the property. So this is kitchen number 2. My sincerest apologies for the drawers being outside. This unit was still under a tad bit of construction, but I still wanted you to see the design. Look at that backsplash. The countertop is the same, but the backsplash is definitely different. Here is the storage closet, and then that is your laundry room right around the back. I'm gonna open the door so that you can see. So this is a similar setup from the previous unit. There's no shelves here, so I would use it for maybe cleaning supplies or toiletries, etc. And then your laundry room at the back has adequate space for not just a washer but a dryer, shelves, pantry organizers. I'm a super organized person when it comes on to my space, so I would definitely play around with this space. And then you have a sink installed as well in case you need to do hand washing. Additionally, the laundry room has the back door, so you can access the backyard using that door right there. We're gonna jump right back into the living room and take a look at the accent lighting, that beautiful drop ceiling. And guess what, ladies and gentlemen? Yes, not only is the bathroom and the kitchen customized for every unit, but that drop ceiling that you're seeing there, it varies, and you will see that throughout the video. So keep on watching and I will show you the different types. Here is your guest bathroom for unit 2. A little different setup. The sink counter is a little bit rounder. I think this one is a bit more spacious than the previous unit. And as you can see here, the storage closets for these units has a white theme instead of a black theme. So you really just have to pick what unit suits you best, especially with the color schemes and stuff. If it is that you want to reach out to the real estate agent for a viewing, you need to contact Miss Nadine Neal. Her information will be in the description box below. This is the bedroom area. As you can see, that's the bathroom door right there. And then on my right are the closet doors. So I'm just going to keep turning around the camera so you can get a full scope of the room, what your views will be like, and also the layout of this bathroom that I'm about to show you here. This is the shower area. I want you to take a look at the backsplash. So as I mentioned before, some of the units do have different designs, and so you will really have to just view them and see which one is to your liking the most. You have to move fast though, ladies and gentlemen, because there were 2 viewings held on this property so far, and to my knowledge a significant amount of offers have been placed. So if you're interested, please contact the real estate agent below. So this bedroom similarly has a huge walk-in closet with a shoe rack and also that corner shelf that you're seeing there. So it really allows you to keep your things safe without dirtying up the space. I really think it was a smart move to make those bottom shelves a dark color. I would have never thought of that, to be quite honest, but I guess that's why I'm reviewing the properties and not building them. Here is the bathroom area. So this bathroom has a double sink. Please note there will be 2 LED mirrors installed on the wall where you see those holes there, and don't worry, you will get to see what it looks like in other units. As I said, the property is still under construction. Take a look at that backsplash in the shower. It's not the same from the previous units, which is what I was trying to tell you guys. I really like this one as well. I think it's super cute. It's very subtle and it's not very loud, and it blends in perfectly with the white backdrop and the stainless steel fixtures. Everything is just amazing. I also like the fact that this shower set came with a handheld fixture that you can use in case you want to get up close and personal, and everything just looks extremely modern and aesthetically pleasing. Now let's take a look at the other unit. While we're on our way there, I want you to take in the grill work. I'm really not sure who did the grill work for this property, but I must say it was the most beautiful I've seen since touring the different properties across Jamaica. Welcome to unit 3. Now, do you see that drop ceiling there? No worries, we will get back to it later. The accent lighting in the living room is similar to previous units, but this drop ceiling, Oh my goodness, guys, the design is different, and yes, those colorful lights will come with your purchase as well, so not to worry, they are not there for show. I think it really sets the tone depending on the type of entertainment that you will be having in your living room. Here is your balcony area where you can look down into the parking lot, as well as lots of greenery, which you will probably see throughout the video as well, and also some views of Kingston. The balcony area also has a drain so that there will be no gathered water or water damage. And then we're going to head back inside and take a look at the kitchen in Unit 3. This design is completely different than what we've been seeing before. This has a gray color scheme for the cabinets. This is your pull-out garbage waste drawer, anything you want to call it. And the countertop somehow merges with the backsplash in this unit. My guess is whatever stone they used for the countertops, they just ordered slabs for the backsplash instead of using those little gemstones that we were seeing before. And I absolutely love this one as well. Like, guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and let you know I loved all of the kitchens. I'm not exaggerating. I really loved every single kitchen design. None of them missed the mark for me. This is the laundry room, which is beside the kitchen, but this time it's on the left. In other units you notice it was on the right, and that is a little storage closet right there for your cleaning supplies and your toiletries, etc. As you can see, the linen closets in this one has white doors as well, and the bedroom also has a similar layout with white doors on the closet door as well as the bathroom door. It's just that the views are different, and obviously because you're on the other side of the property. All the AC units in every single unit is on the ceiling and not a wall AC, so you can make a note of that as well. This one isn't finished, of course, but you guys have seen the others, so you guys can probably picture how it will look. This is bedroom number 2. As you can see, this one is getting a bit closer to the greenery that I mentioned. That's outside. You're seeing a lot of trees, breadfruit, plantain or banana, a lot of views and a lot of greenery for you to enjoy. And this is your storage, your closet and your bathroom rather. This is the bathroom space with your double sinks. Let's take a look at that shower area just to see if we will get a different backsplash, and boom, there we go. This kind of looks like the one in unit 2, but I think the color scheme is a little bit darker in that bathroom. Here is your balcony. Now, quick note, there are some of the units like unit 5, which we will see later down, that has larger balconies. I think this balcony is a tad bit larger as well, but that's just my opinion. And the views here are insane. Honestly, I would just picture myself out here early in the mornings in solitude, probably just reading and enjoying my morning tea, because I am a tea girl now apparently. This is a view of the backyard, and there is another apartment complex next door which was also developed by the same company, or so I hear. I haven't gotten any confirmation, but let's jump into unit number 4. Different drop ceiling, as you can see. So we've seen 3 different styles so far. This one is circular, and the LED lighting is also consistent there. That is your balcony area, and then we're rotating the camera to sort of show you the layout for the living room space flowing back into the kitchen space. And look at that amazing kitchen, guys. I felt like every unit that I went in, I thought I saw my favorite until I went to another unit. The cream backsplash with the tiles and the dark cabinets and the under cabinet lighting and the white countertops with the dark cabinets, all of it just combined perfectly. Very neutral and very warm. Here we have your seasonings drawer, and I believe these are also in the other units. I might not have shown them, but they're there. And that is your waste drawer like the previous unit. Also, again, with the double sinks, which we always appreciate. And I'm just gonna show you what the counter space is looking like. And then let's jump into your accent lightings. This one is also different from the other units. And then as we advance into the bedroom, you'll realize that we're getting a little bit more elevated now, so the views are getting even more insane. This time you can see the apartment next door, and you can see even more views of Kingston. And this is your closet space, which also has a white door and an overhead shelf. Now I'm gonna spin around for you to get an idea of how this bedroom is laid out. So as you realize, it's a little bit different from the others because the bathroom door is not directly beside the closet, and also the bathroom design. This one really surprised me. I was not expecting this. This one has a splash of color, and it's just really unique and warm. And also the tiles, it felt a bit rough on the edges like sand, but at the same time it is obviously durable for a shower. Let's head back out into the living room where I'll be showing you your balcony area and then also your laundry area. So the layout is slightly different in this complex, if you ask me. In other units, I did note that the laundry area was directly beside the kitchen, and additionally the closet and bathroom was directly beside each other in the bedrooms, but that's not the case here. This is the master bathroom and bedroom, and I'm gonna show you the mirrors that I mentioned earlier, but let's take a look at the closet. Now this closet has a different layout than the other closets as well. This one is not necessarily cornered, it's more of a square closet. However, they did keep the same type of shelving with the dark color below for your shoes. They also kept the full length mirror so that in case you want to try on any clothes, you can do so. Let's jump into the bathroom area where we're going to be taking a look at those mirrors. So I think this is the first you guys will actually be seeing what the mirrors look like. They're absolutely stunning, and I do believe you can change the shade of the lighting. I'm not quite sure on the mirrors, that is. And as you can see, the double sink is the same, and there's plenty of under the counter storage for this bathroom. Now the shower, let's talk about the shower. I want you guys to comment below what you guys think about the different bathrooms so far. This one took a while to grow on me, but I ended up loving it because of the texture. Here you can see me touching it. I was rather intrigued with the type of tiling that they used for this one and the previous bathroom because they were both very rough to the touch, but obviously suitable for showers. Now this is the laundry area, and then you have your back door, which brings you to your back balcony. Now this balcony is huge, ladies and gentlemen. I have not seen another unit with a balcony this large, so I think these are one of the larger units. Remember, I said it starts at 1,550 square feet, but there are units that are on the complex that are a lot larger. And guys, look at those views. Like, honestly, can you imagine not living in Jamaica? Insane. I can't imagine it. Let's jump into unit number 5. Now unit number 5 has the same drop ceiling that's circular. The kitchen is slightly different. Now the countertops are white like the previous one with dark cabinets, but the backsplash, oh, the backsplash. The backsplash has a combination of white and brown undertones, which I really love. Like I said, there has not been a kitchen that I have seen that was not my favorite. Now this unit takes us back to unit 1 where we had the dark doors for the storage cabinets, but the bathroom, I love the bathroom. Did you catch those floors? It's so unique, and then they managed to blend that in with the wall as well as a similar backsplash from unit 2. But like I said, there's none of these units that look absolutely the same. Now this is unit 6's kitchen. At this point, guys, I'm just going to be showing you the kitchens and the bathrooms because we've seen all the style drop ceilings by now, and we've seen all the bedroom layouts by now. Now if you realize with this kitchen, the backsplash is white, and then I think, if my memory serves right, these are quartz countertops. Please comment below if you have a different opinion. And the gray cabinets are also back. Now, while we're on our way to view the last two units, guys, go ahead and click that subscribe button and join the family. I post real estate videos like these all the time, and you want to know when these properties drop because they go like that. Now, this is the next kitchen area. Now, the dark cabinets are the same, but the white countertops are actually not the same. It doesn't have that marble texture like the others, and the backsplash is also quite unique and different. I think this one is really cute as well. A lot of them are very warm and neutral for various types of persons to enjoy, and these cabinets are white, so they're not gray and they're not dark brown. These ones are white, and as you can see, the guest bathroom varies in this unit as well. Breathless bathroom sink. It is absolutely amazing. It's a centerpiece of the guest bathroom itself. Now, this is the bathroom in the main bedroom. It has a similar color scheme going around, but if you remember this design, I believe it was actually in unit 3, but actually as the backsplash and not on the wall. Now, this is the balcony area. It's a lot closer to the greenery than other units, so you're literally looking at all of that limestone, those trees, and I'm not sure if you remember geography class, but all of that combined would mean that the area is very, very cool. This is the other bathroom design where we have a brown backsplash. The wall tiles, I believe, were in unit 4. Guys, I'm trying to remember my best here, but the backsplash is very different. I don't think those were in any other units. Also, in the entryway, they do have sunlight roofing. And there's also some form of backyard space, although I would assume that the persons who own the lower units would be using this space more frequently. However, the front area does have space to entertain and probably for your kids to play as well. These are where your water tanks will be stored, and the property does come with the various accessories for water and heating, so you really have to keep that in mind as well. The exterior really reminds me of England. I don't know why, maybe because of the building structure and how tall it is, but it's really giving me an English vibe. Nevertheless, I love it. It's very unique and it really is quite modern. So don't forget to contact Miss Nadine Neal, guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching another video, and I will see you guys next week.